Hi guys, and welcome to my little channel. Today we have an amazing little portable mixer from Teenage Engineering, and it's so amazing. It's really beautiful, and it feels very solid. The faders feels very solid. The knobs are very solid. There is not much plastic in this one. The only thing I've seen in plastic is this part and the bottom. Apart from that, everything is metal. So it's a beautiful crafted machine. I think we can turn it on and just have a look a bit into the menu system. Those black stripes, you won't see them in reality, of course, but through this camera, unfortunately, we get those stripes. But it feels really good when you look at the display. If you hold on Shift and press the button, you see the menu system. And there is a lot of stuff here. I will not go through everything, at least not with this first video. I just wanted to give you a little initial impressions of this amazing portable device, because I never seen anything like it. It's really small. So here we have the system. So Solo has some very interesting stuff. As you can see, it says Solo Momentary. It means when I hold down this, it will solo that channel until I release it. So that's momentary solo. You also have momentary mute, which means I will mute certain channels until I release the buttons. You also have mute. So as you see, I mute channels and I unmute channels. So it's not momentary as the other mode. Same goes for solo. So you hold down one channel and it will solo that channel until you press release and press release again. So that's the solo menu. We also have USB. So you can use it as a 12-in channel mixer, so you get 12 channels from your computer to it, or you can use it to send 12 channels out to your computer, so as a sound card. I find this very good. It's the pots, so you can actually create your own custom pots, which I've done here. So this one is pan, that one is filter, and that one is effect 1. So if we go back, I can just show you. I will have to do it like this so you can see the display. So you see how it's sent to effects 1, the filter, which goes from high pass to low pass. And as you can see, it almost feels like it's getting into the middle by itself a little bit. And same goes for pan. So you have left and right pan and center. So that's the setup I have, but you can do whichever setup you want actually. So if we just take a channel and plug it into the mixer, this is a stereo jack. So if I plug the stereo jack into the mixer, it will ask me what kind of cable it is, or how I want to use it. So in this case, I use it as a stereo. But if you, for example, put split, you can have 2 mono channels into one input, and you can balance between them. So you can get up to 12 channels, mono channels on this one. What else? You have also, I tried it with the iPad and with an iPhone, and I use AudioBus, which is a program where you can use different apps, music apps, and I get up to 12 channels with the USB directly. So I can either get the channels into it from the computer or my iOS device, and I can also send stuff into it and into the iPad if I want. You have two different effects. By holding Shift and pressing Effect, you can see you have a chorus, and you have different values for it. If I hold down Shift again and press Effect 1 once again, I get delay. So using Shift and pressing the effect, you can jump between the different effects in either bank 1 or bank 2 here. Maybe you recognize this little one. This is really cool actually. So as you can see, I only set it up to channel number 1, but this means I can stop, like on the OP1 when you press stop, or like a tape machine or a record player. So you get that effect. So you can get that effect also on audio channels, which I think is really cool. But you have different effects, and they are very usable, all of them. I think it depends on what you want to do, what you're plugging into your machine, etc. So it was mentioned that it was very expensive. I didn't know about the price, but I think that for something like this, which feels so good and solid, it's impossible to not have a high price. I mean, I think you have to do everything custom to this machine. So it's not that you can just buy all these components. I think a lot of this stuff inside of this machine is actually custom built. So I think that's one of the reasons, because it's so expensive. But you have to think and consider that you also get a sound card. It's not only a mixer, it's a USB audio sound card. So I think that's my first look at the amazing mixer. If you have any questions or something that you want me to look into, just let me know. So I will keep you updated. I think I will make more videos coming week. This was just a first little introduction to this beautiful little machine. So I hope to see you soon again, and we will talk more about the mixer. Take care, guys. Bye.